Hi, I'm Jeff, here to tell you how to protect your school or building from dangerous intruders. As of the recording of this video, which is May 18th, 2018, there have been 101 mass shootings in America this year alone. Intruders are clearly a serious threat to public safety, and while the country may be debating how exactly to prevent crimes like this, we have a solution that puts a clear barrier between you and possible intruders. Security film can make glass up to 40 times harder to break, depending on the thickness of the film itself, which ranges from 4 to 15 millimeters, all while remaining completely transparent. Take a look at this video, a demonstration done by 3M. In dire situations like that, those few seconds can be lifesavers, and it's all thanks to window film. That's how you protect your school or building from dangerous intruders.